So check it out, I just set up the air canopy, and right here, let's see if I can show you. Hey, what's up local Gnara fam? This is Zach. I'm out here at Lake Dillon in Colorado, the perfect place to test how quick and easy this thing really is. So far, I like the backpack setup. It worked. We came down here effortlessly. Wildman's right here behind me. And we're just gonna see how long it really takes to set this thing up with some wind. If you're from Colorado, you know it gets windy. You'll get a little bit of sunshine, then you get clouds. Sunshine, then clouds. So I'm hoping I can set this up as like a windbreak for my wife, making it a little bit more comfortable out here on our beach days. All right, guys, let's get into it. I'm thinking we're gonna set it up right here. Okay. Nice. We'll start a timer and see how long it takes us, right, wild man? Here we go. I'm ready. We got some ground spikes. Check it out, guys. Ground spikes. We got some tie downs. We got a hat. SOLI hat.
What hat is that?
It's a hat for this. Should I wear it?
No, it's for me.
You like it? Yeah. Let's see here. How do we do this? So, setting it up. Remove the canopy from the backpack. Unroll the legs. Hook up the pump. All right, let's go, dude. That should be so fast. Let's see how long it takes for real. All right, check it out. Let's see what else is in here. No way. Yeah. Go ahead, bud. Go throw some off. Let me go get you. Let's see. Hello, this puppy. I don't think you can fit. It's too giant. Yeah, you gotta do these now. These will really keep it secure. Oh yeah. This way it doesn't go anywhere. Pretty good. How's it looking, guys? Comment down below. We're still recording. We're 14 minutes in. Oh, we don't need one right here. That rock is so heavy. Nope. I think we only need one more on the back side. I'm gonna put up a wall. Watch this.
A wall?
Yeah. Give me a bunch of small rocks. Yeah, it is like a spike. Okay, hold on.
Already.
We're 22 minutes in, guys. Mommy's calling. No, it's perfect actually, because the clouds just cleared and I think it's gonna be nice for a while. Come on down, everything's ready.
You want to on the water?
I guess we can put the last wall up. Why not?
Yeah, why not, right?
Why not? That way we have privacy.
So we can't get burned, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Daddy, or if you can put your bike in too, right?
I could. You want to get your bike?
Well, I'll just put it here too.
Get your bike.
Are you gonna put your bike in here?
Yeah, let's put our bikes in here. Good spot. Keep our bikes out of the sun. Ooh wee. Cool. This is sick. I'm gonna go check on mommy, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get mommy quick. Hey, man. Thing, okay?
I don't like that. I'm not allowed to happen to me.
Good girl. Good potty. That's for sitting. There's only one towel. Mommy probably wants to sit in the sun, too.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, do you like it? Yeah. But it has these are walls. You put your bike in.
Pretty I mean, for my first time putting it up, 22 minutes. I mean, a little longer than I'd like, but not bad. If you're gonna like, you know, spend the day. Yeah, it's been 31 minutes since you left the truck. So. Yeah, after that big one goes through, baby, it'll be clear for like 20 or 30 minutes at least. Oh, I should have brought it. So I got this thing, a little box that you just unfold, and it has a disposable thing in it for camping. You can poop and pee in it.
Ew.
It looks really nice. It has a nice cushion.
Mommy,
So check it out. I just set up the air canopy, and right here, let's see if I can show you. There's a little tiny hole right there in it. Right out the box. First setup. That's disappointing. All right, guys, we're done with the tent for the day. Let's see how long it takes for me to take it down. I'm gonna throw up the timer. We're about 22 minutes on the setup. Let's see how long it takes for takedown. Start that stopwatch. There we go. Let's run it back. Good job, buddy. Ooh, smooth move. Woo! What the heck? Oh, here it comes.